Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix screen not responding to touches in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, remove your screen protector and update a new one protector because old one protector works not properly. So remove your old protector and update a new one protector. After that, open your settings and then click on my phone. Now here you can see the option system update. Now click on it, and then here you can check your latest variant will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest variant, then update it to latest variant. After update a latest variant, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.